Hello again, welcome to the channel. Creating a stunning display of hanging pothos and philodendrons on a plant shelf is a fantastic way to elevate your indoor gardening space. These trailing house plants thrive when given the right care, creating a lush cascading effect that adds greenery to any room. To achieve a full layered look, I place taller plants toward the back and allow trailing vines to drape over the edges. Mixing different variegated pothos like Marble Queen, Neon Pothos with string of hearts add contrast and texture. Both Pothos and Philodendron varieties like Heartleaf Philodendron prefer bright indirect light but can tolerate lower light conditions. The variegated string of hearts, however, will lose its wonderful pink color with lower light levels. I added it here because I love my variegated string of hearts. I will add it in as many videos as I can. Plus, I think it gives a nice contrast to the otherwise all green shelf. Variegated plants also need more light compared to non-variegated plants. The basil, for example, becomes leggy, the leaf shape changes, looks dull, and loses its variegation if not given a lot of bright light. Use a well-draining potting mix to prevent root rot, and water when the top inch of soil feels dry. For my pothos and philodendrons, I made up my own aroid mix. Regular pruning encourages bushier growth and prevents leggy vines. Both pothos and philodendrons are easy to propagate from stem cuttings in water or soil. When repotting, choose a slightly larger pot to promote growth. To keep the leaves shiny and healthy, wipe them down to remove dust. In the warmer months, pothos and philodendrons will appreciate a shower to clean the leaves. Fertilize regularly with a balanced liquid fertilizer or a good general fertilizer for houseplants during the growing season. This setup creates a beautiful low-maintenance plant shelf filled with thriving hanging plants. And that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again in my next.